Let's see this. 12 men and 18 women can complete a work in 6 days, whereas 12 women can complete the same work in 18 days. If 10 men and 3 women are working together, in how many days the total work can be completed? So they have given us 3 groups, and now they are asking us for the third group how many days it will, they will be able to finish the work. For the first 2 groups they have given the time also. So using that information we can find out the ratio between men days and women days there. So for the first group they are saying that 12 men and 18 women can do the work in 6 days, right? So what is the effort given by this group in order to finish this work? It is 12 into 6 men days plus 18 into 6 women days. This is the effort given by the first group. Now if you look at the second group, they are saying that 12 women can complete the same work in 18 days, which means 12 women, they can complete it in 18 days. So the effort given by the second group is 12 into 18 women days, right? Now since these two efforts are going to be same, why? Because the same amount of work is done, we can equate these two and we can find out the ratio between men days and women days. If you try to equate these two efforts, we are going to get 12 into 6 men days is plus 18 into 6 women days is equal to 12 into 18 women days, right? Now if you try to cancel out the terms and find out the ratio, you will get that 2 into men days equal to 3 into women days. So what does it mean? Men days by women days equal to 3 by 2. Alright? So you are able to find it out. Now they are talking about a third group where they have given that in the third group 10 men and 3 women are trying to work together, and we are supposed to find out if 10 men and 3 women are trying to work together to finish the work, then how many days they require. So we don't know the number of days. Let's say the number of days is n days. Then what is the effort given by this group? It is equal to 10n men days plus 3n women days. Got it? Now this effort should be equal to either this one or this one. Okay, but before equating it, it is better you convert all the terms to women days and then equate it to this, so that you will get the value of n. Otherwise getting the value of n is difficult. So let's try to substitute in place of men days the women days and we get the answer. So 10 into n into 3 by 2 women days plus 3n women days. Now what do we get? 15n plus 3n women days equal to, I can equate it to this 12 into 18 women days. 12 into 18 women days. See, you could equate this effort either to this one or this one, because anyway the same work is done, therefore all these 3 efforts should be same. But why am I using this term only? Because it is completely in terms of women days and I have converted that into women days, right? Now if you use this, there will be men days here. So you can convert this men days also into women days and you can use it, no problem. But since it is directly given there, I am using it. Okay. Now it is 18n. So 18n equal to 12 into 18. Therefore n equal to 12. What does it mean? It requires a total of 12 days for this group to complete the same amount of work. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year and in India the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.